So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your car, the camshaft sensor, bank 2 or something like that. I quite don't remember because I already fixed the car, and I forgot to save the code. When the car had that code, it was causing a misfire on cylinder 2 or 5, I think. I don't, like I said, I don't really remember. But it also, when the car was on, it was shaking a lot. Like when I would hit the gas, or when it was running, it was shaking. So I scanned it with my code reader, and it gave me the code, whatever. So it was a sensor, and I ordered it at AutoZone. I think it was about $40. So it's not that much money. Let me show you guys. This is the old sensor. I already fixed it. I already replaced it. This old. So the sensor that you're trying to replace, it's on back of this part right here. So what you're gonna do is you gotta remove. You need a socket. You need a ratchet with different size of sockets, and you're gonna remove this right here. You can just press it. So you need to press this and then pull this back, and then remove this too, unplug them, and then you need to remove this one as well. And this I don't know if you guys can see my finger, this one right here, and this, it has two right here, one right here and other one right on the back, and this one right here. So once you remove this part, the sensor is located right in the back right here. I can let me see, it's located somewhere right there, but it's gonna be the one on the left, because it has two, so it's gonna be on this side. And once you replace it, everything should go back to normal. You can either wait for the code to go off by itself, or you can just erase it, and that's it.